Hello, we hope everyone had a great holiday break. Welcome to Sanford's Software and Internet Monthly Market Report for December 2024. As usual, we are going to be reviewing the previous month's M&A and venture capital activity across the entire US and Canadian landscape. So let's dive into the M&A front. The month of December saw $7.1 billion invested across 90 transactions, finishing the year off with a median revenue multiple of 3.7 times across all transactions. Compared to November, there was a decrease to both deal value and deal volume. Some notable transactions include MasterCard closing on its $2.7 billion acquisition of Recorded Future, Psycho Epson acquiring Fiery for $591 million, and Upbound Group purchasing Brigit for $460 million. 2024 finished with $154.6 billion invested across 1,535 transactions. This marks a 45% decline and 0.1% increase respectively. Now, we'll move on to revenue multiples in the M&A environment. December saw a slight decrease in revenue multiples, but figures closed out 2024 Q4 ahead of previous quarters. Revenue multiples are a valuable insight into the state of the M&A market and will be monitored closely in 2025. When comparing SaaS to non-SaaS multiples, we saw the gap between the two tighten once again in December to close out the year. While SaaS multiples finished the year out ahead of non-SaaS, the difference between the two was much tighter than previous years. Total monthly volume was down month over month and lagged behind the last 12-month average of 120. Deal volume is often soft in December with the holiday break, and we would expect activity to rebound in January. That's all on the M&A front. As usual, we'll now move over to the VC activity for December 2024. The month of December saw a total of $21.9 billion invested across 406 transactions and a median deal size of $5.4 million. Compared to the prior month, there was an increase to both deal value and deal volume. Some of the largest VC deals in December include Databricks raising $10 billion, one of the largest VC raises of all time. Additionally, Cohesity raised $950 million, and Perplexity raised $500 million as well. The 406 deals in December remain below the last 12-month average of 594, but marked an increase compared to the prior month. Mid-stage financings saw the largest jump at 23.5% to fuel the growth. Late-stage deals were also up 5.3%, while early-stage financings were down 17% when comparing to the month of November. 2024 concluded by seeing $93.1 billion invested across 8,122 transactions. This represents a year-over-year increase of 37% in deal value, but a 12% decrease in deal volume. While volume was softer in 2024, it is an encouraging sign that VC deal value rebounded in 2024, driven by some very large deals throughout the year, including Databricks, xAI, and OpenAI. To wrap up this month's video, we'll take a look at VC valuation multiples. December concluded 2024 with mixed results across the three financing stages. Mid-stage financings finished the year 9% ahead of its positioning in 2023, and late-stage deals were 1% ahead compared to the prior year. Early-stage financings, however, were down 10% compared to 2023. That's all for this month's report. We hope you enjoyed the video, And if you have any questions related to M&A or VC activity within the software industry, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.